Tennessee Children's Hospital contacted us, and we had been in conversations with them for the last couple of years, saying that if there was ever a special circumstance that we could help out on. So they contacted us and told us about the Carmichaels and that they've adopted 4 special needs children with Down syndrome, and said they really need some help. Their youngest son, Kobe, who's 5, not only has Down syndrome, but he has cancer, and due to complications he's not able to walk. So I don't think you find a special circumstance more than that. So we came out and met with the Carmichaels and determined this would be a perfect opportunity for us to help out. Family is, they're just phenomenal. What they do for children with Down syndrome, and the way that they're helping these kids, and how they're involved in that community in Knoxville is very, very special.